So guys, on this video, samahan niyo po kami maghapunan. Ang kakainin po namin ay Bake Mac Filipino style, yung may corned beef. At ipapakilala ko sa inyo yung favorite dessert ng mga anak ko, yung Berlin's Bowl or Boule de Berlin. So, samahan niyo po kami. This is Sir This Family on YouTube channel. Let's go! Babalik ko nga lang dito sa bahay. Welcome to Sir This Family. At ito nga ang dinatnan ko. Wow! Baked macaroni niluto ni Mima. At si Ayla. Hi Ayla! What do they need to do?
Like and subscribe on the videos.
Hi Mami. Sarap naman ng niluto ni Mami.
Pa natin alam kung masarap.
Hindi pa. Alright. Last time niluto ni Mami itong Bake Mac na to. We will try. Hi Treville. Hi Treville. What? Balikan ko lang si Mami. Hi Ate Macy.
Hi. I'll spend Dandy's world.
You weren't ready. Say hello. What are we gonna eat?
Egg and macaroni.
Like and subscribe.
Si Wilong makulit. Hanggang dyan lang yan. Bawal. Nangulit. Nanira kanina. Stout yung... Oh, wow. Mukha naman tunay. Legit. Oh, legit. Nilagyan mo ng corned beef yan. Wow! Filipino Bake Mac pala to. May corned beef.
Nilagyan ko ng corned beef. Tinry ko lang.
Filipino Bake Mac. May corned beef daw sa loob yan. Let's try it. Buka natin ang first time Bake Mac ni Mami.
Macaroni or
Ba, may texture.
Alin?
Let's try it. Sarap! Ha, Mami?
Sarap ba?
Parang Pilipinas.
Totoo.
Parang Pilipinas nga.
Muto mo lang ako eh.
Honey. Sarap! Sarap! Alright. Kaya na kami hapunan. You give also for Ayla.
I didn't want it to, but I always know I had to.
Oh.
Because we are small.
Always sharing, huh?
That's what the ate... Paano ba that's... And it goes over it. And it
Ate helping the little sister? Sometimes.
just like me.
Always.
And we both fight.
Ayla was like
Goldfish.
what?
I want a goldfish.
Goldfish. What goldfish?
I want a goldfish.
What is that? What goldfish is it?
I want a goldfish.
Ah, a book.
It's a goldfish, of course.
A book goldfish. Let me see. You want me to buy that? Alright. For book, you can always buy a book, huh? I will.
The goldfish.
This is anime book. Netherlands, huh? Not English.
Yes.
Alright, we will buy that.
Yeah.
Yun nga, bigla nga lumapit sa atin, may papabalik siya ng books. Mahilig ka siya sa mga books na short story lang. Anime yung gusto niyang related sa One Piece anime. Alright, in-order ko na nga. Order na namin online. So bukas matatanggap na namin yun. I-ano natin yan. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong klaseng book yun. Macy, can you get the Boule de Berlin in the fridge? Can you get the Boule de Berlin in the fridge? Can you get it? Yeah. The Boule de Berlin. You found it? You get a plate. So, ito yung favorite nila. So, ito nga yun. Berlin's Bowl. Yan. Pastry. Oh, you can open it, Ate Messi. Favorite. So, ito nga po ang Berlin's Bowl or Boule de Berlin. So, So, para po siya, ang bread niya ay parang donut. Oh, hey, show me. Take a bite. So, ang bread po niya ay parang donut. Tapos, may palaman siyang pudding. At, kayang-kayang ubusin itong dalawang to. Ang tigisa. So, ngayon, mag-hope na lang ako kung may matitira sa akin kasi kakakain lang namin ng hapunan. Tingnan lang natin kung matitiran ako na itong dalawang chikiting patrol na to. Stop! Oh my god. You eat half of the macaroni, baked macaroni, and then now you have this dessert.
I ate one big whole thingy.
1/4.
Siya nga yung 1/4 lang.
Oh.
Half extra.
Half of this is only Macy.
That's good.
Yeah.
Very good.
You know, Ate Macy, guys, I'll show you. Ate Macy, she's 10 years old. And look, nakita niyo yung height ni Mami kanina, di ba? Come here, Ate Macy. Ate Macy is 10 years old. Also, on my shoulder. Look. And I'm not small. I'm not small for a Filipino.
Marry me.
So, ayan siya. Hanggang balikat ko na. Tapos yung mami niya, hanggang balikat ko din. 10 years old girl. Laki-laki, tangkad-tangkad. So, ano nang height ni Ate Macy normally? 5'1"? So, Ate Macy, a 10 years old girl, 5'1" na yan. And Abu. Yan, sige, anak pa more. Is that a magic? She heard crying, is that a magic? Hey, are you gonna eat that?
iPhone girl.
Are you gonna eat the Berlin's ball? Later, talaga. Later when you're done doing something.
Iin mo na kasi.
I'm done now.
Is that your hamburger dessert?
It has mayonnaise in it.
Not mayonnaise, that's pudding. What? Shh, Macy, where is it? Not even 2 minutes.
It's not a bomb. It's not even 2 minutes.
Not even 2 minutes because I was taking a video.
1 minute.
Did you execute that bread less than 1 minute?
You know where it is?
Where is it? Your Dicky Boom Boom?
No.
Where is it?
It's in a world called Abomination.
Abomination. I'll throw you in the trash bin.
Yeah, do it. Carry me. Do it.
Tingnan mo naman yan, oh. Kahit ang tangkad-tangkad na bata, pa din 10 years old pa din. Ikaw naman mukha kang Buji. I think she's sleepy, Mommy.
Yes, that's why
I think this girl is sleepy. Ay. See, may pagkakataon ako dito. Pwede kong kainin yan mamaya. Busog na. Kinapitan na niya. Oh, kala ko busog na. Okay, lesson learned.
dapat sa sunod 2 nang bibili mo. Kasi marami kang kahati.
Dati ako lang eh. Ito na ang dessert ko. Mag-orange na lang tayo. Ayan, ang natira. Naubos yung nasa loob. Tiniran ako ng tinapay. Yan na lang. Inubos na lang yung nasa loob. So si Daddy ubos ng tinapay. Ayla, what happened to the cream? Ayla, what happened to the cream?
I all ate it.
We only the cream, not the bread. Masarap naman itong tinapay na ito. So, after a long day, relax na kami ni Mami. Hey, Mami, I love you. Mga bata, nandun na. Nanonood na ng TV. Kami ni Mami, nagre-relax. Nainom ng tea. Honey, parang pili ko tanda na natin Dati wine ang iniinom natin. Ngayon, tinala. Adulting. Dati pa red wine na tayo. Ngayon, tsaa. Ayaw na natin ang sakit ng ulo.
Nagre-relax tayo.
Dati pag nagre-relax kami, wine, white wine, champagne. Ngayon, tsaa. Ayaw na namin ang sakit ng ulo kinabukasan. Alright guys. Hope you guys like this video. Kulitan namin ngayong dinner time. Again, this is Sirdes family. That's my wife, Ameline. Ako si Daddy RJ. At yung dalawang makulit ay nandun na. So guys, please like and subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Salamat po. Bye-bye.